Imagine you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 different tasks, and at the end of the day you were able to gather up to 12,000 naira, which is the 12,000 naira you're seeing right here. But the problem right there is that this 12,000 naira, for me to spend it, it has become very, very hard for me to spend this particular 12,000 naira. Very, very hard, that I am so frustrated and angry right now. For those of you who don't know the backstory, I'm going to tell you what actually happened. This guy right here is the owner of this particular app. He owns this particular app and he owns this other app right here. I mean, he's like the general overseer. And few months ago or few years ago, they created this particular app right here, and they said that they want to use this app to do research. And they said that you as a person or as an individual, that you can come into this their research app and sign up and do 1 or 2 things, can help them for surveys and data collection. They are going to reward you. So I found out about this like 2-3 months ago. I jumped into it. I came here and I talked about it. So far I started using it. I shared my progress, I shared my experiences and everything. Some people are complaining that they are not getting daily tasks, or they are not being sent notification daily or things like that. For me, I got my daily tasks. I got 3 different programs consistently. I kept on working on this particular platform and I got my first pay. I was very happy, so I decided to redeem my reward, which was actually $9. So I redeemed my rewards and they sent it to a platform called Tremendous, and that is when everything changed. I supposed to use PayPal to redeem my earnings from Tremendous, right? That could have been much more better and save me from the stress. But here is where I messed up. I decided to use Visa prepaid card to redeem my earnings from Tremendous instead of using PayPal directly, because I'm like, okay, if I get this Visa prepaid card, I can use it to shop online, because I wanted to buy something online, pay for 1 or 2 of my subscriptions and things like that. So I got the Visa prepaid card. I tried redeeming this card on Google Play Store. It's not working. I went to Amazon, went on Jumia, not working. I searched for different places. I tried selling it as a gift card, still not working. So I was so frustrated. I even came out and I made this particular video. All these gift card platforms where they this country, they useless. Now when you get gift card to sell, and that time we gonna see. So I was so angry. That's why I made that particular video. But somebody commented and the person said that I can always return the gift card. I'm like, wow, so I can do that? They say yes. I went to the email I got from them. I saw their email address there, Tremendous. I messaged them. They decided to collect the gift card again and send me another link to redeem another gift card. And I was so happy. I'm like, wow, everything is now working perfectly fine. So what actually happened is that I went back to the app. This was when I tried to redeem my earnings the second time. All right, so if I'm being honest with you, when I got the second opportunity to redeem the gift card, I was very happy. I decided to go for something familiar. There are a lot of gift cards right there. I decided to go for something more familiar like Kilimanjaro. So I decided to click on the Kilimanjaro and I redeem my gift card. In my mind, I'm like, okay, this is better because I can always take my gift card to a Kilimanjaro website, place order for food. I mean, that is going to be very easy. After getting my Kilimanjaro gift card, everything become much more harder than I expected. I tried redeeming this gift card on Kilimanjaro website. It was not working. And when I chatted the owner of the gift card or the owner of the vouchers or the merchants, they said that I should go to physical Kilimanjaro. I went to Kilimanjaro, as you can see right there, or rather I sent somebody to go over there and redeem it. And when the person got there and they tried for like 30 minutes, and the person called me and told me that, hey, that they cannot redeem the gift card. They say they only accept Sure gift card, that this XOXO daily is not working. So right now I'm very, very frustrated. So I just messaged them right here. As you can see, I messaged the 2 merchants, I messaged Tremendous, and I messaged XOXO, informing them that the gift card is not working. Why am I making this video? A lot of people have messaged me and asked me, Solomon, how can I redeem my gift card from Viewpoint? Because there are a lot of people that use Visa. Okay, it's not everybody that have PayPal. So there are a lot of people that use Visa to redeem their earnings from Viewpoint, and they are stuck with the Visa gift card. They cannot sell it, they cannot do anything, they are just stuck with it. They are confused. If you're stuck with your Visa gift card, number one, you can always change it and collect another one. Visa prepaid card will last for like 6 months. So message them, go to that particular page, scroll down, you're going to see their customer service email address. Message them. Once they change it, please don't go and use Kilimanjaro like me, or better still, look for a PayPal PayPal merchant, collect PayPal email address, redeem your earnings through PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, no problem. You can use any other gift card. Viewpoint is just an app that I talked about. According to them, they are a market research app that they are gathering data about tech and so on. They can send tax for you every single day, or they can send tax for you once a week or twice a week. Some people don't have tax, some people have tax. Personally, for me, I got a lot of tax. In fact, as I'm making this video right now, they just sent me a tax right here that I can actually complete right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. They just send this notification that a new tax is available for me on Viewpoint. If I click on the notification, they are going to take me to where I can complete this particular tax right here. I know that they are harvesting a whole lot of data from me. If you're somebody that like privacy and you don't like people harvesting your data, then this app is not for you, okay? Even if you don't use this app, there are a lot of apps that harvest your data. Number one, YouTube harvests your data, Facebook harvests your data, Instagram, TikTok, all the apps that you're using for free, even WhatsApp. It's better than they harvest this data and pay you something than for them to harvest it for free without paying you anything. So that is why I decided personally to jump into this particular app right here. I keep on getting 85 points for each of the tasks I completed on the platform. Yes, I did not mention it earlier. 1,000 points is equals to $3 on the platform. 2,000 points is $6, while 3,000 points equals to $9. Totally, I have actually accumulated up to 4,000 and something points on the platform because I withdrew $9, which is 3,000 points, and currently right now I have extra 1,000 points inside my wallet, guys. So what do you think about this particular platform? If in the future or if anytime I finally redeem my gift card successfully and I use it, because redeeming it is not the problem right now, using it, that is where the real deal lies. So if I'm able to redeem it and use it successfully, I'm still going to make another video about this particular update, guys. But for now, I'm not happy about Viewpoint. I'm going to blame Tremendous and XOXO Daily. I'm going to blame them, not Viewpoint itself, because Viewpoint actually delivered on its promise. It is actually Tremendous that is frustrating my life right now. So what do you think about Viewpoint? Have you been using it? Is it working out for you? What do you think about Viewpoint? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on my cirrden account to get my tutorials about different updates and different side hustles that you can do. And if you want an online skill for you to get started, you don't like things like this, you want an online skill, check the comment section or the description of this video. You're going to see a video editing class that you can join. You're going to see a survey class that you can join. Just check all these things out and try anyone that works for you, and you let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to share what is currently working for you down in the comment section so that we can also learn from you. And please join my community on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and follow me on my cirrden account.